First, turn off your Honeywell portable air conditioner and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This is the most important first step in any reset procedure. Next, locate the reset button on your unit's control panel. If your model has a reset button, press and hold it for a few seconds. If there's no reset button, plug the unit back in while simultaneously pressing the power button. After resetting, wait a moment before turning the unit back on. Test if it's cooling effectively and check that it's no longer tripping the circuit breaker. If the unit still isn't cooling properly after the reset, we need to check several key components. First, inspect the air filter for dust and debris buildup. Next, check the exhaust hose position. Make sure there are no kinks, bends, or twists that could restrict airflow. The hose should be as short as possible while reaching the window. Verify the unit settings are correct. Make sure it's set to cooling mode and the temperature is set several degrees lower than the current room temperature. If the water full indicator is on, you need to drain the water tank. Remove the tank carefully and empty it completely before reinstalling. Finally, ensure the power requirements don't exceed your outlet's capacity. Avoid using extension cords as they can cause voltage drops and safety issues. If problems persist after these steps, contact customer support.